Bye. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look, here I come. In 3, look, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. You are now about to witness the greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Bang! Greatest daggone show in the daggone multiverse. And we have a great one for you today. So you guys know how Saturday's show is. It's not our usual weekday stuff, which is just hardcore, it's about our money. Sometimes it's just stuff that I find kind of interesting and funny. All right, so today we have a few of those. I mean, we do have some serious stuff to talk about, but so we're doing 5 stories tonight. Don't worry, we're not reading every word of every story. Don't worry. Just enough so that you get the gist of what's going on. Okay, so story number 1. So the first 2 stories are serious. So Cardano and Coti are going to make a DeFi stablecoin. We're going to read about that. Bang. And then the SEC delays 4 BTC ETF. So you all know how the SEC thing goes, so we're not going to really read the whole thing. I'm just going to show you which one they delayed. You guys know how it works, right? Whoa, I guess the third one is also serious too. The EU is the largest crypto economy in the world right now. Of course, we got the daggone. It's the Germans. Daggone Germans. So we're going to read about that. $1 trillion. Okay, and then the last 2 are the funny ones that I want to, just the fun stuff. There's a mayor here in America. He wants to airdrop $1,000. Bang! Man, you best vote this mayor back in, whoever you, and I'm going to read. I'm not going to tell you what city it is. So you gotta stay around, and you're gonna find out what city it is. But he wants to airdrop $1,000 of Bitcoin to every household in the city. Okay, bang! Fuck! You best vote that mayor back. Look! And then the second one that's kind of just for fun is So remember, we read about this before, but he's actually doing it. The president of El Salvador, So this is the first Volcano Bitcoin mined in El Salvador, okay? And I'll tell you what that all's all about. Geothermal, blah, 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 blah. Little techie nerd stuff. And then the shout-outs and daily summary as usual. All right, so let's go. This is going to be a fun show. This is a great show. I love this kind of shit. All right, let's go when we start with a little bit of bang. And then we do a little bit of look. We head on over here. We do a little bit of bang. And then we do a little bit of refresh. All right, what are we talking about there? $47,816. All right. $47,816 on the Bitcoin. When I left you yesterday, we we're at $47,935 on the Bitcoin. So you've gone down. What's that? $119 down. All right. Look. Oh, wait. Look. What are we doing? Oh, yeah. Top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. You know who they are. The usual suspects. The usual band of miscreants. Look. Top 10 of the day. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance Coin, Tether, Solana, XRP, USD Coin, Polkadot, and Dogecoin. All right, let's look at the market moves of the day. Looks like a bunch of single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Oh, who's that? Terra. 15% up. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Tezos, Bombaros. Look at that piece of business. Look. Single digits up, single digits down. 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 2 single digits up, 2 single digits down. All right. Let's see who lost money today. If you see anything on here you like, go get it because, bang, it's on sale. It doesn't look like many sales are on today. Let's check it out. All right, top 10 losers. DYDX. Huobi Token. Axis Infinity. Elrond. Internet Computer. IOST. Ravencoin. eCash. Pancake Swap. And Perpetual Protocol. Let's see who made money today. Bang! Top 10 gainers. Holy, there's some nice gains around these parts.
Daggone, gains around these parts, boys. That's what we do around these parts. We make gains, boy. We make gains.
You're dang all right. Gains around these parts. Look, top 10 gainers. OMG Network, Tezos, Terra, Icon, Arweave, Qdom, Serum, Solana, Stellar, and bang, Phantom. So, on the weekend, we always look at who made the most money and least money for the week. So let's see who lost the most money this week. Bang. Really? Hold on, let me look at that again. Fuck. All right, so not many losses this week. All right, top 10 losers of the week are IOST, FTX Token, Cardano, Compound, Maker, Cello, DAI, True USD, Binance USD, and Tether. Let's see who made the most money this week. Holy, we're going to see some massive gains, aren't we? Bang! Holy, look at OMG Network, 96% up. Right? We're looking at this line right here now, guys. This third line right here. Bumbaras. Look!
Blood clot.
Top 10 gainers. OMG Network, Axie Infinity, Qdom, Icon, DYDX, Tezos, Solana, OKB, Filecoin, and Arweave. Let's look at the total market cap of the day, folks. Yes. It's appropriate. It's appropriate right there. All right. $2.120 trillion is our total market cap. When I left you yesterday, we're at $2.128 trillion. So we've gone down, but still above $2 trillion. We've gone down. So, yeah, we've gone down $0.008 trillion. All right, let's see what the 24-hour volume is.
Miscreants. Miscreants.
Actually, okay. All right, so the 24-hour volume today is $98.2 billion. And when I left you yesterday, it was also $98.2 billion. So we have gone nowhere. So, shattered dreams. Look, let's move on, folks. Let's get to the stories. Fuck. Sorry about that, guys. Fuck. All right, Cardano to enable new DeFi stablecoin with bang, Coti. So, yeah, so all you miscreants in my chat room, a lot of you are talking about this Coti thing. So, I mean, it's only a stablecoin, but it does bring. I look at this as a benefit to Cardano, because if people use a stablecoin, that means they're going to be using Cardano. So, banga, follow the money. So look. Let me get a sip and we'll continue. Oh, check this out. Let's read the byline. Coti previously partnered with Cardano stablecoin hub, Ardana, to bring decentralized stablecoin payments to AdaPay. Just thought you'd like to know that. All right, let's check it out. All right. Fuck. A new stablecoin is arriving on the Cardano blockchain to provide a tool for decentralized finance, DeFi operations, and avoid transaction fees. Cardano's payment gateway provider, Coti, will be the official issuer of DGED, a new DeFi-focused stablecoin for the Cardano network. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson and Coti CEO Shahaf Bar Geffen announced Sunday at the Cardano Summit. Fuck. The new stablecoin will be based on an algorithmic design using smart contracts to ensure price stability and providing an instrument for DeFi transactions. The stablecoin is designed for paying transaction fees on the Cardano network. In order to avoid volatile and exorbitant gas fees. Oh, that's smart. And make transactions cost more predictable. Right. So it'd be as if something on Ethereum had a stablecoin and you'd use it. Well, I guess there probably is, but right? And you'd use it instead of the gas fees. All right. Well, whatever. Look, according to JedZ's research paper released in August, its stablecoin protocol will behave like an autonomous bank that buys and sells stablecoins for a price in a range that is pegged to a target price. The stablecoin will operate by maintaining a reserve. All right, there we go. A reserve of base coins while minting and burning various other stable assets and reserve coins. Pretty smart. According to Hoskinson, the DJed stablecoin can be a game changer in the crypto industry as it appeals to an entirely new audience at a time when the industry is already experiencing astronomical growth. So look, the news comes shortly after the Coti partnered with Cardano stablecoin hub Ardana to bring decentralized stablecoin payments to AdaPay, a Cardano payment gateway supporting over 30 fiat currencies. All right, bang. All right, so there you go, Cardano hodlers.
Oh, yeah. Got some DeFi.
Keep those prices cheap. So you buy the DeFi, you buy this stablecoin here, and then, Cardano's coming out with the smart contracts and the, that other stuff they rolled out we read the other day. I can't remember all of it. Yeah, so you'll use this thing. You will use this thing to pay for it. So I could see how that's pretty cool because, right? I mean, just like the story says, you know what you're gonna pay, right? Whereas it's true with Ethereum. Like I said, Ethereum ain't for broke motherfuckers. You know what I mean? But Ethereum, you don't know what you're gonna pay. Today you pay this much. Is it called Guai or something like this? Gas, whatever. And tomorrow you pay a whole other different thing. So, bang, Cardano, bang, Coti hodlers, bang. Yes. All right, let's move on. All right, so we're just going to breeze through this one because you guys all know about the ETFs. So if you're new to this channel, if you just don't know, here in America, a lot of companies have been applying to be the first Bitcoin ETF. And so the SEC gets 90 days to review your application. So they have to apply. You have to apply to be an ETF, but the SEC. Then the SEC gets 90 days to review it. After that 90 days, the SEC can approve you, deny you, or delay you. And so we're going to talk about 4 delays. We're just going to do it quickly. I'm not going to read this whole thing. I mean, fuck, if you've been watching this channel, you should understand. So, fucking big brains, daggone big brains. You know what the truth is? I think he's delaying these 4 because he delayed that other one earlier. And so I think he doesn't want to let these ones go first before the one he already delayed. Like, do you guys remember we read about in Canada, right? Remember that day? We read Canada was bang, bang, bang. Approved 3 Ethereum ETFs all in one day. Right. Remember that? Yeah, well, the first guy to apply, so I'm going to give you I'm going to make this up, but this is what happened. So the first company to apply for an ETF was in January, then the second one in February, then the third one in March. So technically, if I apply in January, well, I should get approval before these 2, right? Yeah, and that's how it happened. But Canada just went nuts and went bang, 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 approved. So these fuckers who only applied 2 weeks ago got approved too, right? But if I'm the first guy who applied first, well, I should be approved fucking first. You know what I mean? You get it, right? It's like being in the line in the grocery store. If I'm in the line, you can't butt ahead of me. You know what I'm... it's not... I'm going to sound like a whining child, but that's just not fair. It's not fair. Right? So I think that's what they're doing here. Because Gensler has already... Big brains. He's already said that he's down to approve your futures a Bitcoin futures, an ETF, a Bitcoin ETF. Holy shit. Everything's geeking out. A Bitcoin ETF with Bitcoin futures in the basket, right? An ETF is just a basket of assets. So he's down with having an ETF with Bitcoin futures in it. So I think he's just trying to be fair because we already delayed the other one. Well, I can't just approve you fucking 4 motherfuckers now because that guy's delayed already. It's not going to be fair, right? All right, so that's just my opinion. I think what they're doing, right? Because you understand what I'm saying. In Canada, they approved all 3 of them at the same time. Yeah, but this guy applied 2 months before. He applied in January, this guy in February, this guy in March. Then they approved them in April. Right? Well, look, I've been around here. I've been applying since January. I should get approved first so I can release it first and get, obviously, market advantage, right? No, you understand. Now we get down to the cold, hard facts of it. I should get market advantage. I applied first. They were late. No, so. All right, so you guys get it, right? All right, so let's move on. Well, let's proceed. Yeah, like I said, we're not going to read everything. Actually, I think I'm just going to read this first chapter here, and we'll be out of here. Let me get a sip, and then we'll give you something to look at while I get a sip right here. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. Look, we got NFL today. Right now it is 6:16 in the a.m. Sunday, East Coast time, America. Look, let me tell you what's happening today. The NFL's happening today. Tom Brady goes against his old team, the New England Patriots. Oh, fuck yes. That's why I'm doing this show now. I was like, man, I'll go to sleep. But then I knew I wouldn't be able to do it, so I'm doing it now. Tom Brady, the GOAT, goes against his old coach, Bill Belichick. Oh, yeah. We're going to have all sorts of drama tonight. All right, let's get to our crypto, though. On Friday, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, has delayed 4 Bitcoin exchange-traded funds deadlines for another 45 days. So that's what I'm talking about, right? They have to either approve you or deny you within 90 days, but they can extend the timeout for more time, right, to deliberate your application. So the regulator notes that the entity needs more time to decide on the ETF applications. All right, so we're not going to read the whole article, but I'm just going to show you the 4 that are denied. Not denied. Sorry, they're not denied. They're delayed. Yeah, they're just delayed. Settle down. All right. Global X, Cryptoin, Valkyrie, Wisdom Tree, Bitcoin ETF, deadlines are extended. So I guess I could really just end it there. Fuck this. All right, we'll just read one more little chapter right down here. The Cryptoin Bitcoin ETF Global X Bitcoin Trust, Valkyrie XBTO Bitcoin Futures Fund, and Wisdom Tree Bitcoin Trust have all been delayed according to the latest SEC filing. The 45th day after publication of the notice for this proposed rule change in October is October 24th. So these are going to be, so now they have to, what? I don't know. Hold on. So let's just read on. The U.S. regulators filing details. While there's been a large quantity of Bitcoin ETFs filed in the U.S., the SEC has yet to approve any of them. Okay, so bang. So you guys know what's going on. So there's nothing else to read. You know what an ETF is? An ETF is a basket of assets. In this case, Bitcoin, right? Some of them are Bitcoin futures contracts that are going to be in the ETF, the fund. And some of them are Bitcoin spot Bitcoin, which is what we buy on. All right. So you guys understand that. You guys know. And if you're new here, well, go to investopedia.com and figure it out. All right, let's move on. Bang. Europe becomes largest crypto economy with over 1 trillion in transactions, according to Chainalysis. Bang. Now, you all know who Chainalysis is. Chainalysis is a big time trading analysis company. They're used by, so here in America, chain analysis is used by the FBI, the DEA, the CIA, like all our guys who want to catch you doing some sneaky money business. They're all used by chain analysis. Chain analysis, analyzes, tens of thousands of transactions a second, a nanosecond, fuck. And so anyways, so that's what their job usually is to sort of find anomalies in the market. They're sort of like cops in a way, right? They analyze, because chain analysis, the name is a little funny. It makes it sound like they analyze only blockchains. No, but they analyze the NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange, S&P 500, all the big exchanges. They analyze it for funny stuff, right? So, when you're doing crime in the financial market, well, you leave a certain footprint, right? And, if I'm wash trading some penny stock over here, me and my buddies are dumping some penny stock or any stock or something. Well, it leaves a certain trail, right? And so chain analysis can see that and notify the proper authorities, and then, then those miscreants are in trouble, aren't they now? Once chain analysis gets you, yeesh. Right? Because they have the evidence. They have the transaction evidence. It's suspicious. Why all of a sudden are you and 5 of your buddies investing $100,000 a piece in a penny stock and then dumping it 5 hours later? Wow. That looks like just a classical pump and dump right there. I mean, duh. Yeah, but morons still do it. They think they're going to get away with it somehow. Yeah, well, because they don't know that chain analysis is around.
Oh, yeah.
All right, you open some little shitty exchange. You start doing some wash trading. Well, chain analysis is going to catch you, fucker. They're going to catch you doing that. These miscreants, they think, fuck's sake, you don't think there's cops around? Like, what do you think's going on? You don't just get to rip people off like that. Anyways, that's what chain analysis is about. All right, so I guess what I'm trying to also say is, though, so when we read this story, we have good analytics on this. In other words, what I'm trying to say to you is these numbers are good. These are good numbers because they're literally in every transaction, so they can see every transaction. That's their job, right? To help the exchanges catch miscreants. And so what I'm trying to say is these numbers are, superior than just to sort of when we read about so-and-so did a survey and found that blah, blah, blah amount of institutions want to get into crypto. Those are valuable, like the Fidelity ones, obviously. But, a lot of these other companies doing these surveys, who are you surveying, motherfucker? What, you know what I mean? We don't know what they're doing. Whereas chain analysis numbers, they're straight out of the exchanges. So these numbers are, gold standard numbers. You get it now? You get why that's what I want you to understand. Whenever you hear chain analysis numbers, those are the numbers. You know what I mean? Those are the numbers. For real. With no bias or anything like that. All right. So, let's get to it. So, the region of Central, Northern, and Western Europe, or the CNWE, has emerged as the world's most active cryptocurrency block, receiving over $1 trillion worth of digital assets over the past year, according to new research from blockchain analytics firm Chainalysis. The report, which was released Tuesday, found that the CNWE region accounted for 25% of the global activity between July 2020 and June 2021, But, I mean, it's not surprising because the Germans and the Swiss came online, right? In a proper way, a regulated way. And so these numbers aren't surprising. So, but it confirms what we know. The Germans and the Swiss, they're leading the way. They're kicking ass. The region witnessed a sharp uptick in transaction volume across all crypto subcategories, especially decentralized finance or DeFi. Chainalysis describes crypto transactions as anything involving trade investments and business dealings. Europe has also become a hotbed for institutional investing, with transaction values in the category growing to $46 billion in June 2021 in 1 month, compared with just $1.4 billion in July 2020. So it was only $1.4 billion in July last year. Yeah, well, looks like we've kicked it up a notch. Bang! $46.3 billion. Nice. Perhaps surprisingly, the United Kingdom is the single largest crypto economy in the region. At $170 billion worth of transactions, nearly half, or 49%, of the value was sent via DeFi protocols. Oh, yeah. Looks like the British love their DeFi. All right, so we're going to skip a little. We don't read every single word of every single story. Blah, 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 blah. So Chainalysis' data corroborates a growing body of evidence showing that large institutional investors have become a driving force with crypto. But that's what I told you. That's what we're waiting for. Institutions. That's what we're waiting for. Let's get real. What I'm waiting for are the American institutions. You know how these Americans are. They just go big. Everything is big. Everything is huge. And they're greedy. Bang! And so that's what we're doing. We're playing on their greed. We're positioning ourselves. That's what this channel is about. For you to build a cryptocurrency warehouse big. Bang! Build a cryptocurrency warehouse strong. Bang! And fill it with revenue-generating cryptocurrency assets, digital assets, distributed ledger technology, services providers, tokens, and coins, so that when these motherfuckers are allowed to get here, well, they will be soon. They will be soon. Well, we're positioned ahead of them, and they're going to come get your chicken. They're going to come get your shit. They're going to come buy it, and you are going to be rich. Buy. Rich. Yeah, fuckstick rich. That's what the Goody Room's about, dog. If you make good investments and you huddle until the time is right, wow, the Goody Room rewards you. And you're all going to be rewarded. So look, let's continue on. So we got here. Yeah, the institutions are coming, a driving force of crypto. Wealth managers, family offices. I taught you what a family office is. Basically a hedge fund, except it's the guy's own money. And other institutional players have poured billions of dollars into Bitcoin and Ethereum investments. Products offered by Grayscale, CoinShares, 21 Shares, and others. Bang! And that's what we need. Now we need them to pour more money into more than just Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yes. What I read to you last week. Yes. Into the small caps. Oh, yeah. So look, that's good enough, man. Bang! Europe is the largest economy with over $100 trillion in... Oh, sorry. $100 trillion. That'd be pretty crazy. $1 trillion in transactions. So, like I told you, man, Europe's eating everybody's lunch. Xi Jinping, he's kicking ass because he's blockchaining up China. But he's not really releasing the markets on the Chinese soccer moms and dads, is he? You see what I'm saying? He's promoting blockchain and all this and all the crypto and the VeChain and everything. Yeah, but they're not really letting people just invest in it like that, right? Whereas Europe, look, they're using it. IOTA, right? IOTA is doing all the, what is that called? The supply chain for the mining industry. And other things, smart cities, et cetera, and they've got a lot of transactions. So Europe's eating everyone's lunch. Oh, you know what I'm saying? And so it goes, America. Wake up. All right, Europeans, bye. Good for you. Let's move on. Cool. Oh, okay, so now we're getting into the fun ones. Okay, so this mayor of this place called Cool Valley, he wants to airdrop $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to each household.
That's the shit. That's the shit. That's the shit.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Fuck yes. That's pretty wild. I mean, that's just wild, right? Because, I mean, El Salvador, right? We read about it, right? That's the maximalist dream. Blah, blah, blah. It's legal tender. You got to accept it. Da-da-da-da-da, right? The whole maximalist dream. Yeah, then you got this American guy right here, and he's like, yeah. You guys want some daggone crypto? I'll give you a one-piece chicken worth, right? He wants to drop a one-piece chicken on the whole fucking town.
What?
Take it. Take it. All right, so let me get a sample and read it. Right now, Salvador, they only dropped $30 worth. The fuck's that? You know, it's a dinner. Well, it's a couple Starbucks coffees. This guy's talking a one-piece chicken. All right, let's check this out. All right. So the small town of Cool Valley, Missouri lives up to its name. That's right. You are a cool town. Its mayor, Jason Stewart, plans to give $1,000 in Bitcoin to each household. And the project is fully funded. To top it all off, the airdrop comes with education. The 1,500 inhabitants. Oh, so this is a real small town. Only 1,500 people in this piece of shit. All right. These are some rednecks for real. The 1,500 inhabitants will learn how to use wallets and interact with the network, and also will be incentivized to hodl the coins they receive. We're going to get people storing their own Bitcoin as quickly as possible. Bang! Yes, daggone mayor, good. Missouri. That's some redneck shit. So if you're not from America, Missouri is some redneck shit. I literally cannot name a city in Missouri. That's how lame that place is. But anyway, you know, look, even rednecks need crypto. Look, what really excites me and what I'm working on is getting regular people to hodl Bitcoin, and for them to really benefit from the appreciation of hodling an asset like that. Yeah, exactly. That's a good mayor. I don't know how he got so smart in such a shitty state. About a month ago, the Cool Valley mayor went viral with the plan to do this very thing. At the time, he told KSDK, I have some very supportive donors who have agreed to match any money that I raise up to several millions of dollars. And the plan went so well that Stewart already has all the funds and then some. Such is the power of the internet. Such is the power of Bitcoin. All right, so we're going to leave it there. Blah, blah, blah. Who knows if they'll hodl it. Blah, 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 blah. But, hey, fuck Missouri. Missouri is a piece of shit. All right, so I just wanted to show you that. There's this mayor in fucking Missouri. What a shithole. Yeah, no, it's not a shithole. My bad. I'm just saying there's nothing going on there. I'm sure you're nice people. You're a wonderful, fine, upstanding American citizens. And, mothers, fathers, good family folk, I'm sure. God-fearing Christians and all that. But look, but what's amazing is, though, bang, this guy wants to drop a one-piece chicken, $1,000 on every one of the citizens. I mean, that's amazing. And show them and teach them how to use the wallet and everything, right? Like, educate them, right? You guys know, I've told you, if I were a dictator, how I would do it. I'd have a mining rig in every household, you know. Our prisoners would be mining crypto, daggone, like. So this is great stuff, and just like I said, it's a Saturday show, just one of those stories that makes me go, man, that's cool, you know. Bang! So Cool Valley, You are fucking cool indeed. All right, let's move on. Bang! First volcano. False. All right, right. First volcano Bitcoin mine sells El Salvador's president. So, you guys remember when El Salvador unleashed Bitcoin on everyone? Well, you know, it wasn't received so kindly as maximalists always tell you, right? Oh yeah, oh yeah, once the people get Bitcoin, Shomari, you'll see, Shomari, you'll see. Oh yeah, soccer mom and dad, they're gonna go buying stuff, and they're gonna love it, Shomari. It's the money of the future, Shomari. Wow. Well, as you remember, we read a few weeks ago, it wasn't accepted. It wasn't quite accepted with that level of exuberance, was it? The citizens were quite on that page there, maximalists. And so if you weren't here, if you don't know, well, El Salvador, Bitcoin is legal tender. Legal tender in El Salvador. It's got all the status of a Japanese yen, your American dollar, whatever you want. Legal tender. And when they released it, well, apparently the people weren't as happy as maximalists thought they would be. And so these people literally took a day out of work to go and protest it. And then they started burning down Bitcoin ATMs. Not, not signs of a successful rollout. But the people have calmed down now. We read it earlier this week that apparently one third of El Salvadorians they've downloaded the free Chivo Bitcoin wallet that they have. And in each Chivo wallet, you get $30 free Bitcoin. All right. And so, but now we're not talking about that, but this guy, El Salvador's president, now he's a smart mother, mamba jamba, right? He said, because Bitcoin is, it's dirty, the mining, it messes up the environment, right? Because of all the electricity, which is true. And so he's like, oh yeah, we're going to do geothermal mining. So he's going to use a volcano to mine crypto. Well, apparently they already started it, because here we go. Bang! The first volcano Bitcoin mined in El Salvador. So it worked, obviously, and well, let me get a sip and then we'll read about it. So this is geothermal energy, right? So it's it doesn't hurt the environment, right? Bitcoin is dirty as hell, right? It fucks up the environment. It's bullshit, really. In that aspect, in terms of what you got to do to have this thing alive, like to have this thing around, right? And so this is great. So not only did he roll out Bitcoin for his whole country, but the actual state is mining it, and they're mining it in an environmentally friendly manner. All right, so let's check it out. El Salvador's president seems hellbent on making Bitcoin. Why do you use the word hellbent? That's a little rough. Hellbent on making Bitcoin firsts. Oh, I see. This time announcing the first Bitcoin mined with volcanoes. For newcomers, yes, you read that right. Volcanoes. We're still testing and installing, but this is officially the first Bitcoin mining from the Volcano, tweeted Nayib Bukele. So Nayib Bukele, that's the president of El Salvador. This guy here, Nayib Bukele. Yeah, that's the president. All right, so the idea of using the nation's active volcanoes to mine Bitcoin is not new. After he declared the cryptocurrency legal tender in June, with the country passing the Bitcoin bill, Bukele followed it up with plans for El Salvador to use geothermal energy from volcanoes to mine the Bitcoin, saying that a state-owned company could provide mining facilities with affordable and green energy. Then, just a couple of days ago, Bukele shared a short video that showed mining rigs going online at a geothermal power plant that harnesses volcano energy. No further details have been shared, such as the number of active machines or the amount of allocated electricity. Bukele has been reporting on the rising numbers related to the Chivo Bitcoin wallet. So that's Chivo, that Chivo wallet, this thing right here. That's the wallet you get. It's a government wallet, and you get it, and you get $30 free Bitcoin in it. So we're going to move on. So 17% of people have taken it. I've started using it. I mean, you're getting free money. The point is, are these people going to use this thing later? Or are you just taking the 30 free bucks, right? So that's what I want to know. But so far, 17% have taken it. So let's see. Obviously, some of those people will keep it, and obviously they're probably into crypto already too, as well. All right, so that's it. So bang, so that's interesting. We read about it last month, a couple months ago. He said he was going to mine Bitcoin from the volcanoes, and well, he fucking did it. And so it's one of those stories, just bang, just one of those weird little stories. All right, let's move on to the shout-outs. Bang! Oh, this son of a bitch is right up front like this. Son of a bitch. Look. Wait. Look. Bang! Look. Bang! Look. Bang! Got you wrong, cash. Son of a bitch. Larry the G-Brother. Node Savior. Bang! Oh, we didn't think of a story. Andrew Chada. He's been with us so long, his picture's in black and white. Larry the G-Brother. Bang! Watch out for that diesel if he comes to your house. Look, Sunny Bee, Spy Lady, Lovely Lady, See You Lady, the Assassin. Bang! Whoop. Biniam, he went full bang. Live with the Sea Brother, connecting the dots. Bang! He went full bang.
Oh, yeah.
It's contagious. It's like COVID, it's contagious. You get the bang in you. You get some bang and some look in you. Daggone. Ain't no vaccine for that. And you don't need one. That's going to bring you riches. Look. Technically bullish. Live with the zebra. Bang. Andrew Richada, the enforcer. What are you trying to sell, fucks, Nick? I'm trying to sell my Bitcoin, Mr. Richada. Really? Bang. Settle down. Huddle. Juice worth the squeeze. You tell him, Andrew. Daggone. Live with the zebra. Bang. Got to make these miscreants understand, Andrew. Make them understand. Deep Entertainment. Soul, brother. Oil. He'll make you understand real good, girl. Look, little girl. You got to get some of that revenue-generating products. Oh, yeah. Look here, sweetie. Why don't we head back to your place? You can pour me a few drinks, and let me show you how to get your crypto on. Because from what I'm looking at right here, if it's anything looking like your body, oh yeah, your portfolio is going to be looking real good. Real good, girl. Bye, show 'em deep here. Let's leave it at that. It's getting inappropriate now. Look, we almost went over the line there. Look, KJ Gatsby, because you know I can go over that line. Love with the sea, brother, pushing that rock. I know, brother, it's a hard journey. But look, no pain, no gain, brother. Freedom ain't free, brother. Neither is financial freedom. Love it with the sea, brother. Bye. Grudgeable. Love it with the sea, brother. Bye. Oh, I'm in a good mood right now, daggone. What we got going on around these parts? Oh, fuck. We got some charts and some Binium. What's Binium talking about? Cbnews. What, Binium? Cbnews. Grayscale adds Solana and Uniswap to 494 million digital Large cap funds. Didn't I read that already? Wow. If I didn't, well, look. Bang, bang, Solana holders. Bang, Uniswap holders. Bang. Yes. Very nice. Bang. Very nice indeed. I thought I read that one already. What we got here? This red guy here. Doji NFT. Let up the G with the bang. Biniam. What's he talking about? Cbnews. What Biniam? Valkyrie Funds has confidentially filed its first Bitcoin. Yeah, we read that already. Oh, we already banged it. Oh, that was it. All right. So look, that's everybody. Let's get back to the you know where. Yeah. You know where. Let's get back to the Death Star. Bang! Welcome back, everybody. All right. So we had a great show for you today. A lot of stories. Actually, it was a little more serious than I thought it was. When I first started the show, I was like, oh, this is going to be a fun show. Which it was. But just, yeah, there was some serious shit here too. Like this one I'm about to say. Bang! Cardano and Coti offer a DeFi stablecoin. And so that's cool. Yeah, that's super cool because, right, if you want to pay for stuff, you want to know what it's going to, whoops. Shit. All right, there we go. You want to know what it's going to cost. And so, yeah, with the stablecoin, you know what it's going to cost, right? Whereas with Ethereum, fuck, it's kind of day by day, just kind of how the network's being used, really, right? You don't really know what it's going to be, right? It'll cost you blah, blah, blah in gas today, and then, you know, a whole blah, blah, blah in gas tomorrow. And so this is great stuff for Cardano. So Cardano, this is I view this as for Cardano hodlers. But I know there's a lot of you guys that are doing this or into this Coti thing lately. And so, yeah, I mean, I hope it works out for you guys there too. And so let's leave it at that and bang. All right, and then the SEC delays 4 Bitcoin ETFs. And so, fuck, you know how it goes, guys. The SEC has 90 days to approve or deny your ETF. If they don't approve it or deny it, they delay it. 4 more delayed. Surprise, surprise. Fuck. Bang. All right, let's just get out of here. And then the next story was the EU is the largest crypto economy. Of course, motherfucker. You got the Germans. You know, while they unleash their whales, they unleash their monsters. Of course, it's going to be the biggest. That's not surprising to me. But I read it to you just for, you know, just so you could see the official numbers, right? Yeah, I mean, they're the only ones that are fully regulated. Well, Germany is, and Switzerland is unleashing ETPs and everything all over the place. And so, yeah, not surprising. You know, not surprising. Here in America, we got fuck all. Yeah, we got Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can't have an ETF, but you can have private funds in it. Yeah, well, that's not enough. And then fuck Asia and everybody else. They're fucking pulling their peckers and not doing anything. And so it's no surprise. And like I said, chain analysis, you can count on these numbers, right? Chain analysis did these numbers. And so that's the difference between, you know, when you have some survey from, I'm not dissing, but from Fidelity and chain analysis. You know, Fidelity obviously, or let's not use Fidelity. That's not a good example because they're honest. You know, they're honest. So let's use something like Galaxy Digital, Mike Novograt's shop, his little hedge fund there. Yeah, well, fuck, he's a maximalist. So he'll bullshit you about the numbers, right? Whereas chain analysis is, you know, just numbers. They don't give a fuck. You know, they don't care. You know, they have no skin in the game, and so they give you good numbers. And so the numbers are that the European Union is the largest crypto economy in the world, and Well, if you've been here watching me on this channel, well, you're not surprised. See, Germans, which is the largest economy in Europe, is already on board. In Switzerland, well, you know about Switzerland. They have 3 things in Switzerland: Swiss cheese, Swiss Alps, Swiss banking accounts. And so, bang, not surprising. All right, let's move on. Okay, and then now we get to the fun, well, the little like kind of weird stuff, a little fun weird stuff. The mayor of his city was called Cool Town or something. Hold on, let me look. Right, his city was literally called Cool City. Cool Valley, there it is. It's literally called Cool Valley. And they only have 1,500 people there. So, I mean, these are some rednecks. Like in America, if you're in a town with only 1,500 people, you're a bunch of fucking rednecks. I guarantee you right now. When I do that voice like,
Dang on, motherfucking, round these parts, Bubba.
those are the type of people that really talk like that. But bang! But they got a smart mayor, and their mayor wants to airdrop them. Bang! A one-piece chicken of crypto Bitcoin. Look. I'm sorry. You can't diss that. You can't diss that. And so that's awesome. $1,000 $1,000 of Bitcoin for every household. I mean, they're lucky. I mean, these are rednecks. Like, I mean, if you live in a town with only not even 2,000 people, you're in some rural areas. And so for you to have a mayor that is smart enough to actually figure this kind of shit out, man, you're lucky. You're lucky. So I got to tell you right now, I'm sure he's a Republican even. I don't care. But you guys in Cool Valley, was it Missouri? And that's the other thing, was Missouri. That is a shithole state. Look, I love you Missourians. I love all you Americans and all the peoples of the world. But let's get real. Let's get real. Let's get real. No one says, hey, honey, we're going on vacation. Where do you want to go? And your wife says, hey, let's go to Missouri. I don't even know of a city in Missouri, to tell you the truth. That's why I'm so shocked that there's a fucking mayor who's so smart like this. How the fuck? You guys are lucky. Cool Valley, let me tell you. You better vote this mayor back in next November. You got a good mayor. And so that's what's awesome. That's awesome, you know. Little things like this, you know, a mayor being like, fuck this. Like I told you, if I was a dictator, I'd be like, yo, fuck this. All my citizens have to mine crypto. Yeah, all the prisoners, I'd build crypto farms. And I'd make the prisoners go and keep those rigs going. Yeah, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Olé. All right, so, what was the name of the city again? Hold on, let me look. Cool Valley in Missouri. Look, Cool Valley. Bang! You better vote that fucker back in. Your mayor has some brains on him, man. Your mayor has some proper... His mind is right. See, on this channel, I always... get your mind right. Get your mind right, boy. Let me tell you something, Cool Valley. Your mayor, he's been watching this channel. His mind's right. His mind is right. All right, so bang, and then finally, oh yeah, the first Volcano mined Bitcoins happened in El Salvador, and so this guy really said that. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna mine some geothermal Bitcoin, and well, he did it. He really did it. I mean, there it is. I mean, of course. Why wouldn't you? I mean, like I've always said on this channel, if I were a dictator, I would find any means of my country to mine Bitcoin. I'd fucking throw up solar panels, windmills, yeah, with fucking mining rigs. Yeah, guy, every fucking household would have a mining rig in it. Yeah, my whole country, my whole fucking country, right? Mr. President, Mr. Shomari, Mr. Clarke, Mr. President Clarke, what are we going to mine? All of it. The fuck? All of it. We'll have a wind farm over there mining Monero. We'll have a fucking solar farm over here and mining Bitcoin. Flipping. Look at that. Oh, I'm not going to be outdone by this fucker. I'm not going to be outdone by that El Salvadorian motherfucker. This is America. This is America. I will make some geothermal. Yeah. I'll mine some Bitcoin. You know, what's it called? What's that daggone thing there? Old Faithful? You know Old Faithful? You know that national park here in America? Yosemite National Park with all those springs and geysers? Fuck that. Bye! We're going to use geothermal energy. I wouldn't be outdone by some El Salvadorian motherfucker. Fuck that. You can let some out. You can let some fucking little fucking country like that outdo me? America? Hell no. Hell no. We'd be mining. We'd be mining some Bitcoin out of the fucking. What the fuck is that shit called again? The Yosemite National Park. Geothermal energy. Bang! But, unfortunately for you guys, well, I'm not the president. Well, I'm not the dictator. I'm not allowed to do that, so. Well, so El Salvador eats our lunch. Yeah, geothermal Bitcoin mining fuckstick. Yeah, that country's going to be mining Bitcoins forever. Well, until the 21 million, and then, well, you better find something else to mine, fucker. But, you know, there'll always be other proof of work things here, whatever. But look, yeah, good stuff. So, man, that guy Bukele, man, I gotta tell you, Bukele, I like the way you're rolling over there. I like the way you're rolling. Getting that crypto for your citizens. Now, I'll tell you what, Bukele, I knew you gave $30 to every crypto citizen. Yeah, don't be afraid to throw a one-piece chicken at it. Yeah, every citizen in the country. Yeah, let them see. You know what I'm saying? Remember, Bitcoin is like gold. Yeah, you pull it out of the ground. Yeah, you mine it. That's the beauty of Bitcoin and Ethereum. You mine them. Well, I guess Ethereum now has got the new thing. Proof of stake thing. But, all right, well, I guess you missed out on that one. But, look, you got the Bitcoin. Yeah, mine that shit, dog. Throw up rigs. Yeah. A year from now, taxes? What taxes? We don't need taxes. We got Bitcoin. I'm just saying that's how I would do it if I was a dictator. You know what I'm saying? That's how I'd do it. You know what I'm saying? I've told you guys here before. What the fuck what the fuck? You know, and that's what I'm saying. You know, it's not just mining the Bitcoin. Yeah, mine some Monero. Look, mine it all. Right? If I was a dictator, I'd mine it all. My citizens don't have to pay fucking taxes. Just go to work and keep the country running, citizens. Taxes? Don't worry about that. Paying for these teachers? Don't worry about that. We got crypto. Paying for these cops? Don't worry about that. We got crypto. Right? Tax-free country. Have you ever heard of a tax-free country? It's never happened in the history of the world. Where a country is tax-free. With crypto, you could really do that. If you mine enough of it to cover your expenses, you could have a tax-free country, a real one. Anyway, I've talked about that shit here before. So, bang, El Salvador. I'm looking at you, dog. Looking real good. Bang, all right, that's enough. All right, let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives alive. That's the end of it. All right, so, bang, subscribe below, press the bell. I'm drunk. Subscribe below, press the bell. You get off notifications when I do the show. Look, feeling nice. Look, my name is Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang, love talking crypto. Bang, this is the favorite time of my day. So thanks for having me in your home, and I'll see you tomorrow for another fun Tuesday for another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk. Until then, subscribe here and press the bell. You get the notification. You need to see this greatness. You don't want to miss out. And look, you don't want to, you know what I'm saying? And watch that video there. You want to get your mind right. Because it's wrong right now. But get it right. Watch that video and it's right. And then bang, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Look, guys. All right, really, I love you guys. We're rocking and rolling. We're bouncing here between 40 and 50 in the Bitcoin. Until we get another catalyst, we're not going fucking anywhere, man. I don't think we're fucking going anywhere. You guys know we have the American debt ceiling thing coming up. And so what that is if they don't vote to raise the debt ceiling by October 18th, well, I'll be coming onto this channel with a whole different attitude. But that's how it is right now. So these are the things I want you to remember. I'll just be aware of. Be aware of it. Don't worry, I'll keep you up to date on that one because that's a big thing. That's a big thing. I didn't really want to bring it up today, but I guess I just did. So, all right. So, but don't worry. You know, you're here with me, Market Killer, and we'll do it right. So, subscribe below. Press the 1 second. Fuck. Yes, the fuel is kicked in. Subscribe below. Press the bell. Watch that video there, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Love you guys. Have a great weekend. My name is Shomari Clarke. I was watching our money. And most importantly, bye. Literally. I'm always on duty. Because I'm watching my money too. So have a great weekend, guys. Love you guys. Over and out.